itself. It's good to meet ourselves with acceptance, with patience, holding on. Be friendly to yourself. Be receptive, don't be judgmental. Be a little more affectionate. And that is what we have learned from Midna Global. And that is a change we have all got. That is a gift we all have. Yeah, life is a game. So this was like before GBP. All of us were sitting like this. Why am I like this? Which area is not working? Which area is not is failing, etc. And life keeps throwing challenges, keeps giving us opportunities to learn, and we don't understand why. So actually, the size doesn't matter. Only transformation matters. If you look at the body language, I'm sure not just for the beauty and the size, but for the internal state, we all will choose the second one. What does GBP do? It trims our egos. It's not just about my top MIs. It's about my lowest bottom 3 MIs also. So it's time to trim egos and rigidity. And that is what is the beauty of transformation, awareness with GBP. Yes, we were confused. We didn't know. We didn't know our strengths. We didn't know which is to be worked upon, which will bring us money, harmony, and so on. So there was struggle at the bottom, constant struggle, trying to push, pull, don't know where to go. We were blinded, carrying some burden. Life changed with awareness, and we moved forward after GBP. That is the magic and the beauty of GBP, the MI profile. So with eye-opening data, numbers we all have in front of us, there is light of awareness. There's clarity in our goals. And we are moving towards our success and fulfillment. Finally comes my graph. This is what you were waiting, but I had to cook some inspirational slides to take some time to, break the monotony of just the graph and the numbers. I love my graph a lot, and I have faced it as I had to speak about my top and the lowest 3 MIs. I realized what I have gone through has been a beautiful blessing. And it is a result of my MI, which is evident here. So great, there is ease and peace now. Otherwise, I would have thought, why me? And you know who these two are? Me and Sir. Enjoying with each other and in solitude, because both are left brainers. And we love our space. There is one door for us, and the magical door which opens with the top MIs. So my top MIs are Word, Logic, and Cosmic. So I like this slide, and I'm very happy and thankful to God for these 3. But is it going to be success? Yes. It gave me a lot, because the day 1 when I met Sir did not know anything about me. He only saw my fingerprints and asked, have you written a book? How many languages do you know? So I have done over 87 interviews for AHA Education. When my friends used to say that, yes, something happens to him in front of the camera, otherwise he's normal and nice. So this is nurturing which is happening. I meet new people, I talk to new people, and interview is like Sir beautifully laughs and says, moderator work and interviewing others is okay, easy for you. So I'm enjoying this. It is just a proof of my word intelligence, and I've made over 600 videos here also. That's another channel of mine. And yeah, I can say that in less than 400 days, we made over 600 videos here as well. So it comes to me naturally. The point here is not to boast with these channels, but to just tell top MIs are interests. When nurtured, you can truly make money out of it, make career out of it, and you will find success and satisfaction in your top MIs. So not just my channels, I have done episodes, 21 episodes on chakras and Akashic records. So some healing has happened there and eye-opening moments are there. This is from IIT Diksha Life, a beautiful initiative which works with NGOs and many bigger initiatives all across the globe. And yeah, this is an old news, but it's good to repeat and tell yourself, yeah, we need to celebrate small wins. So word smart, anybody having cognitive in your temporal, left temporal, you can at least deliver facts like me. And you have definitely an ability to write books because you need to utilize that energy. As Seemaji said, talk for 8 hours. Yeah. Make money using your mouths and talk sense and talk spirituality, talk beautiful things, talk to inspire, be a blessing. Using your top MIs, using your left temporal. I could write 4 books and publish them, and many other in pipeline. And because there is so much of power in the left temporal, you keep talking, you keep writing, you keep healing yourself, and not just in one language, you can go ahead and do it in many languages. So that is your superpower, and I would request all parents here to encourage your close ones whenever you find someone who is talking a lot. Let us convert this into a boon because it is also a bane. I'll come to that later, but talking about cosmic intelligence, we all go through different things in life, from relationship challenges to business challenges to finances to whatever. Every day, small things like corona, which is a general thing, easier to accept. Now why it is easier? Because of cosmic intelligence. And these are just numbers. Whatever I showed you in the sports podium, the top 3 intelligences, they are mere numbers. Sir calls it interest. If they are not watered, they'll remain as is, and it'll only wait for the right environment, the right weather for the seeds to be, growing and, giving us fruits. So I was very lucky to be amidst yellows and oranges right from my school days. And yes, I feel blessed that it got nurtured with Gita and spiritual camps as a teacher, as a organizer, as a little student. So those were golden days, and we thought we were volunteering and doing a good work, but life was only preparing us for bread and butter, nurturing us, watering us. So I got to play the role of small roles, of Narayana in Prahlad drama. You were only small roles always. And I remember even the birth of Lord Krishna. I used to be given Lord Vishnu. Just for 1 second, I'll come and tell, yeah, take him to Nandu Baba and all. So small roles only I got in school days, but those were great days. Yeah, from getting blessings, I also acted as Sadhu Babas and all in my school days. So cosmic word was evident and well utilized. But what is the pain and bane of top MIs? Let's talk about logic. I scored 200. but everybody knows that I'll first calculate the returns on any task I do. I will also calculate the time taken by Seemaji, that is logic. 30-minute presentation. Oh God, when will she finish? So this is the bane of self-smart and logic smart put together, calculating. And then, okay, nurturing Sunny, all is well. So these are the bane and pain of top MIs. Word being good. Now everybody will know whoever has word as number one can be blunt, hurting, can get caught in words, and can pierce the hearts quite easily, no matter what personality it is. Moderate may have it slowly after their all the hurt. Fast brainers will hurt quickly, and effective may hurt softly. But the energy in the mouth, left temporal, will definitely give back, and anything verbal. So there's nothing to boast about these top MIs. That is a concluding point. And I didn't want to talk about self and nature because self is ego and nature is, I've not utilized it well, I think. And yeah, nature heals me, but top 3 MIs was good enough as told by sir. I'll move to the next slide. Coming to the bottom 3, I've placed them there as well. So the lowest being number 1, the number 1 lowest is 9.6 picture. I can easily forget where I keep things. And that's thanks to my left frontal and occipital. Even if something is lying in front of me, I'll ask my mom, where is it? So picture is definitely a problem. I can't even visualize how this, money thing, which is coming in front of, in between relationship, is going to break or damage it for whole life. So I'll stick to the money, look, this is what I charge. Be it the nurturing fee or the training fee, whatever, there are no discounts. I value myself. So I'm not able to visualize a long-term relationship. Be it school customers who don't pay me on time or who pay me less. I'm usually aware of what they have done to me. So I will not see, next year contract I will make out of it, because right prefrontal and right occipital and all is not good. And the way I speak is also going to be really rude and tough. It's not going to be harmony like honey like Seemaji, because its music is less. So I can damage relationships in my own life. And when I go to motivate, so-called motivate, it'll be like a powerful AK-47 telling them, look guys, you need to do this. When I used to be on stage in schools, motivating them for a spiritual camp or anything which they have to tell them, it won't be that flowery and magical. So I mean business, and that's what is logic and word smart with cognitive personality doing to me. And you can see a picture and music is not bringing harmony, and I don't care about people. So caring comes with the effective personality in the right prefrontal, with lot of love and magic. Can't see anyone in pain, but end of the day, you see the top MIs, money, calculation, my comfort, me first. It's not the other first. I will go extra mile to help and remove the pain, but I'm using my head because of thinking personality. People is less, so the first move with the people, I will stay in my zone, having fear of unknown, having the comfort of me time and solitude comes easily. That's what sir said, the balance of left and right. Seemaji being on the right, and here you see a completely opposite person. So that's the magic of lowest MIs. This keeps us humble also. This keeps us busy also. Okay. Whenever you have big egos, fat egos, those moments, you will come down and say, come on, trim it. You are not, you need people, you need long-term life. So this is not so easy as I say that, we give up and we surrender. It comes with age. It comes with, as sir calls, physical traumas and psychological traumas and bad hits in life. Still, the mind is so stubborn, the nature design is so stubborn that it will say, I don't care, I will manage. So that is the arrogance of cognitive left side of the brain, and it is still not ready to surrender. But with cosmic intelligence, but with spiritual quotient, but with the right environment, this awareness is there. Look, I'm suffering because of my own karmas. I am going to go through this pain with my own style, my own grace, my own inner strength, with faith and whatnot. And being good and values left prefrontal helps. So I've already spoken about the boon and blessings of low MIs. Yes, I can never be sweet and charming. I need to put in a lot of effort. Silence is golden. So I need to nurture that ways and be very cautious. And now that, earlier I was in job, so I didn't care much about, initiating the talk. But thanks to Midna Global, that I had to call up participants. Hey, how are you? Where are you? Some bit of nurturing started happening. And now money will come only when we talk to customers and ask for 3,000 rupees. Else, I'll lose a customer. I will lose the website inquiry. So I need to call up. Hey, hi, welcome to GVP. Welcome to the diploma in neuropsychology. I have no choice. Job, Sunday or Monday, rain or summer, I'll get money every month. End of the month, my salary was credited. I was super happy. This People Smart would have never got nurtured had I not been in Midna Global, in my own venture, or this social media coming in. And then even in interviews when I invite people, there is a lot of arrogance. You need to respect me. If you don't value my time, etc., etc. So we need to come down and say, okay, it's my mistake. Let me give another chance. Let me come on the right side of the brain. If opposite side is, we are seeing them as ego, it is my own ego. All these realizations come, and then we start becoming mother for everyone. We start forgiving and including everyone. We say, let's do 100 plus episodes and complete the task. And even in AHA Education, I felt my logic will always say, look, I got the business, I got this deal, I gave this number. So logic comes with I, and logic plus self will be very clear. My terms, my way. And yes, it helps because some people who may not have logic, may not crack the right deal, may not quote the right price. But nature has its ways. Whatever is destined will come. Whatever is destined with ego will hurt you and will break the relationships. Yes, there is fear of the unknown when we move to low MIs. So MIs which are lowest, we need to step up. We need to become Superman. We need to take the leap of faith so that we make impossible possible. Otherwise, these low MIs, as sir beautifully said, don't wait for ICU, don't wait for 50, 60 plus. It is a reminder that we take it on, liberate ourselves, release ourselves, shed what is not required, release what is not required, release what we are holding on, and let's transcend together in Midna family. And here is a great opportunity. We should be so thankful for these sessions. If not for this session, I would have never thought of this, talking or sharing or, taking courage to talk about my low MIs. I would have never got a chance. Otherwise, I can always glorify my top MIs. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can ask. Else, you know how left brainers are.
Yes, anyone else would like to? Wonderful presentation. No words to comment on that. And I think a lot of questions should come because I'm very close to Sunny in terms of activities that we are doing. But many of you would have seen him, his sessions and kind of thing. So maybe if you have something to ask, the boon and the bane aspects of the MIs, I think you have rightly done the expected parameters and the way I wanted it to be. I think you have done it well. So 10 on 10 on the flow of the slides, and then maybe we can have some interactions.
Thank you, sir. My left prefrontal, as always, never wants to prepare, and it just happened in minutes when Simaji was busy presenting her slides.
Okay.
So it just happened.
That's the reason you wanted to be on the second presentation.
Yes.
That is what is logic
I
smart.
didn't want to shock
Sunny.
Simaji with my style and presentation.
Sunnyji, I have a question for you.
Sunny, once Sima,
Yeah, please,
Sima.
please. Bhuvana, go ahead.
No, ma'am, please.
Yeah, thank you, Sima, because I'm just leaving. Before leaving, I wanted to ask Sunny one question. I'm leaving for a counseling session. Sunny, your body is 10.5. So how do you interpret this?
Yeah, my weight is also 85.
Correct. So
I just tell you,
usually,
on a
tell
serious
me,
note,
tell me.
right prefrontal is something that is, giving that body sense, taking care of body, managing body. That is a king of right brain, right? My right parietal is D. So it is comfortable, lazy. It's not taking that action. Even if left prefrontal says, health is everything, I should not land up in PSG. These days, 20-year-olds are landing up there in various departments, from gastrology to others. Still, this right parietal D3 will not allow me to stop my mouth and get into workout. So that is a pain. And still, yes, back of the mind, left prefrontal has all the data. So many deaths are happening, Sunny. You were saved from this COVID-19. You should do something. You promised, Lord, Bhagwan, save me. I will serve. Nothing works out because of the vasanas and the brain design being powerful.
But your self is also pretty high. So that is why it does not allow you to get over the D3 in your right parietal.
It is really, really good to celebrate the highs very easily. That's why we say the maximum energy is taken by the top bars. This is the simplest formula we should all understand. Rest, I will not agree with anyone. Somebody nurturing and doing wonders with the lowest. You can't top in your lowest. Please remember, my picture cannot become my core money area where I mint money and gain extraordinary success. Extraordinary success will come in WordSmart only. Effortless success, I mean to say. You may have acquired, all that is good to hear. And I may also give a statement, now my people 10.2 has gone to 12. The answer is no. That is my 1 cent on that. On my body smart also. The day I start working out, that will come with age. And it's the age now. And I will make you all proud by saying, yes, I'm ideal weight now, sweet 60. Sweet 38 and with 60 kgs.
Okay, I'll answer to this little later. Maybe one point I'll tell because before Bhuvana goes, see the body parietal lobe is fairly good enough, but the prefrontal is not, right prefrontal is not supporting. So if you take body smart as health smart, that's what Sunny is telling. As doing activities is not actually, I won't call it lazy. because if you see in his speech and all, he moves, his body movement is coming very comfortable. But using the body, trying to do something which is more intellectual in nature, more intelligent, what is it, three-dimensional in nature, the art and craft work, the perception of the body is not really happening very well. Okay, that we call the body intuition. The body intuition, the gut intuition is not coming very nicely. That's what the body smart is all about.
And that intuition comes from the prefrontal.
Right prefrontal definitely means, because see, body energy is there, but how to make use of this body energy has to come only from the prefrontal.
Okay.
Okay. So he is only selectively, because he is self-smart, he is only utilizing it only when there is a, the personal goals are achieved. You tell him if he runs for 1 kilometer, I will give 2,000 rupees, he will run. For that, he will practice. But after the match is over, after the assignment is over, again he will go back to laziness.
And yes, because the body energy is there, I can go for a trek and all. Let's go to Kailash. We will not take helicopter.
Yeah,
And if there are kids, I can go on any Pugoli Malai, this Malai, that Malai, I can go. So that is what the brain plays. Right frontal is good. I'm okay with kids going anywhere. I will move my body. I'll be, faster than many of them because right parietal body energy is there. But as sir said, we are selective and we choose our battles. And the life has to hit you with some disease for you to move your body. If you are not naturally born with it.
I think art and craft is not coming because that's part of the prefrontal also needs to contribute. So it's not happening.
So I was winning some awards. I'll tell you, there is a convergent in my right parietal.
Okay.
So till date, I can draw effortlessly any stroke, and I will not have to write that this is, mouse or this is a rabbit.
No, that is coming. That is because
yes.
that is not really a highly visualizing kind of.
Yeah. So no visual, sir, but I'm just talking about the basic stroke thing,
See, it's a combination of visual plus parietal come together, and with I somehow think suppose you have to make an object, a three-dimensional object. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Sorry. I will quit immediately. Yes. I will delegate it to Shweta. I'll delegate it to Seema ji because she is very good with visual.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Anyone else has any questions to ask?
Yeah, you can crack jokes. Ask intelligent questions. Rachna ma'am had something, I think.
Yeah, Rachna wanted.
And Seema ji also had something.
So, hi, Sunny. First of all, congratulations. It's lovely seeing your journey because.
Honey.
मैं आज सुबह ही सोच रही थी कि two totally contrasting, MIs.
Oh, you saw my report?
Yes, of course I did. But the one thing is, yes, one thing is very common. One thing is very common between you and me, and I think to all of us is that we have honestly started accepting our core. And I too accept that, yes, we can try, but at one point, हम जो हैं, वही हैं. हमारी जो major intelligences है, that comes so natural, so easy. But I have a personal question. Aapka picture smart is not that good, but how do you make so wonderful presentation? Is it come from logic or from where does it come from?
That is the biggest secret we will reveal in January when I give a special presentation.
No,
helping him.
I have the same question. So because I have to make a presentation and my
How
picture smart is
how
less.
can sir give me 5 and 10 to
Sunny,
you?
this is not
Okay.
But that is because someone helps him. I think your niece or someone.
That's a diplomatic Shweta answer. Okay, I'll reveal the answer anyways because you are all sincere rewired students. My left prefrontal is actually 16. Okay. Now that is diverging. So I do things, I execute things, and I do it creatively.
Right.
I hope you have the best answer and you have the clear-cut answer, sure short answer.
Yes, but the
My left
secret is still
prefrontal
you are taking
is the
help of
strongest,
somebody.
is number one, and it is diverging. Diverging will always have that creativity, that right brain touch. Okay, come on, let's do a beautiful presentation. It may not be colorful and beautiful, but it will be creative.
I think
Okay.
that's the right answer, because when you look at here, the nature intelligence is only connected with technology. Okay, technology means choosing the right background, apt image, right kind of code, very connecting logically, making more meaning for the information that we are trying to tell. All of them becomes part of the left brain. PowerPoint presentation is not on the right side of the brain. Please remember that. Okay, if your left prefrontal isn't really great, you are going to have more challenges. You might appreciate others presentation to be very good, but your presentations wouldn't be that much great in terms of technology being applied. But if I give you an activity wherein you have to make a, like you are organizing an event, how you will keep things in the right place and give a better visual appreciation, that will come to Seema very nicely. That is
Yes,
the
and I
reason
will
why
fail
when
miserably. I
Seema
can't even
dresses for the
present the landing
occasion,
page.
it is gorgeous. And when Sunny dresses for the occasion, it will be dash. Okay, I don't want to put any name, because Sunny, we all know that there is no that self beautification, aesthetic sense is not there. Please remember, in the PowerPoint presentation, aesthetic is not needed. The right kind of color combinations, the graphs, the images, the impactful quotes, they are really very important. And that comes with the nature smart. Of course, the logic smart, and obviously the word smart. All three of them are very important. Some people might make good PowerPoints, but they may not articulate well. Some people might make an average PowerPoint, but they will articulate very well. But obviously, when the logic smart is good, you know how to place them in the right way and make them the right sequence of the slides and drive home the message that you wanted to. So it's a systematic way of approaching the issue will be there. That is why it looks well. Though some of the creative ideas may be coming from the family members, that's something very natural. Everybody could get it. But ultimately, he has made this PowerPoint in the last 1 hour, but he could make it with downloading the right kind of images. See, in case of logic intelligence, they first figure out what I have to communicate, and then how to communicate and how to present their communication in the best possible way. All of them are coming on the left side of the brain. That is why this PowerPoint is looking good. But naturally, everybody does not do it the first time good, but these left brainers improve over a period of time, and without improving and showing their best of it, they can't sleep also. That is the bane of being the left brainer. Yeah, I think Sunny did say the right answer to it, and there is no way.
Thank you, sir. I'm so happy. So now I'm motivated to do more PowerPoints. And one tip for everyone is don't put too much of content theory on the slides.
Yes.
And sir beautifully says, because when I was promoted as a trainer, I remember in 3 months I was a super trainer, but sir called me, don't read the slides. We can't be reading the slides because I did not have content and I did not have knowledge and all. In 3 months, I could not talk like sir. Even now, I can't talk like sir. Then he is new and he has new ideas. I will only be copy pasting his vada example, his car example, his birthday party example. And I still continue to do the same because I can tell same jokes again and again to the new crowd, So this is the magic. Please don't read slides. Don't put theory in slides. This is my 2 cents for a beautiful PowerPoint.
Right.
Picture speaks 1,000 words. Put pictures and you will make your presentation in 10 minutes.
Yeah, I think Seema has a left brain moderate. You have almost a super fast prefrontal. So it's all helps you to do it.
Sir, but it shows only normal, because of the temporal lobe, this limbic brain speed has
Yes,
reduced.
yes.
Otherwise,
Left
it is
side.
super fast. Only.
Yeah, I think the thinking is super fast. Only the overall response to the sensory system response isn't really fast. But within
I
your
forget
brain,
my ideas, sir. Like morning video ideas.
Hmm.
Bathroom will give me 5 ideas. I would have forgotten all 5. And they'll be super classic ideas according to me.
Yeah.
Those analogies and all I would have forgotten by the time I would have come out.
Yes,
So I
yes.
need to write down even your dialogues.
Yeah.
Whenever I listen to you, I need to write notes to make posts. Otherwise, I will forget.
That is because of the left frontal not really very strong.
Yeah, lowest.
Yeah.
It's actually 5 only.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So I think anyone else has. I think Rachana, have you asked your question?
Yes, sir. In fact, I just wanted to say when Sunny messaged that, okay, I will do second, I was thinking, haha, he will make the presentation by the time Seema is, presenting it.
Because
I
Sunny,
have the same picture smartness because mine is less. And if I have to make a PPT, really, first I have a mind block. Oh my God, I have to make a PPT. And I have so many ideas. I want to put this. And, sometimes I don't complete the PPT. I'm never satisfied with my own PPTs.
see, when I asked who is going to give the presentation, the next second, Sunny said, I will. It is not that I'm going to tell, now come on, present. He knows that it will take some time. Sometimes I might even call off the idea also. So he did not want to wait for some time. He said, okay, now if you tell present, I'll present. That's how it is. So, but you are not even, when I say we are going to give a presentation, who is ready? You are only looking for, yeah, I want to give, but today is Sunday, tomorrow is Monday, then Tuesday is very difficult. Wednesday, I will definitely try. Thursday, I should be able to do it. Friday, sure, I will give. So it becomes 1 week for you to get. So what I would say is, you commit a unrealistic date, and let us see what happens. I think that's how you have to push. But if you wait for your prefrontal only to tell the date, I don't think it will anytime tell you a realistic date, and that's how it get delayed. Yeah. Now the question is over, or you still have a question?
Over, sir. I got my input.
Okay.
Rajnaji, one sent for you. You promised us today that you will not doubt your presentation. You are the best. Finished. Queen of Chennai. No competition for you. Ravi sir is only a king. No. So you are a queen. Simple.
Thank you. I'm working. I'll send my first cut to sir. I'll finish it today.
Yes.
Super.